Hey Copper Nerds, recently you saw how much my pocket piece toned up in my wallet after a week of carry. Let's see what it's doing after 24 hours since we shined it up last. So I'm not sure how far apart these are going to actually come out since I've made a few videos in between the last one and this one. I try to put them out in sequence, but this was raw, shiny copper 24 hours ago. And as you see, it is now brown again. Not as deep a brown as it was after a week in there, and we're gonna put it back in there and see what it does, but it was raw, shiny copper yesterday. I cleaned it again with you. So I think what we'll do is a little montage of me cleaning it yesterday, and we'll show what it started at before and after that in a little sequence, and I'll be right back. And there we have it. I mean, that's about what a week of pocket carry does to a copper coin when you don't mess with it. And could we knock the toning back off of it right now? I mean, yeah, we could. Let's do it. Why not? That toning's gonna come off. It's on there a little better than it was last time. And then I'll put it back in my pocket and I'm just gonna do the same thing. That's the beauty of copper, is once it's been circulated, even if it's been cleaned, you can bring it back to life. And you really can't convince me otherwise. Just I'm proving it right here. That's what the science is showing us, is that coin, once it's been shined up, and it's still not raw copper. There's still some patina on there. Let's get it all the way through. We can get there. We can get there. Come on. There we go. Now we're talking. Yeah, now we're back to a raw, shiny copper coin that'll go back in my pocket and it'll tone back up. So here's a quick transition of the coin after a week in the wallet, then it cleaned, and then the same coin after a day in the wallet. So there you have it, and this is it 24 hours later in the wallet. It's a little brassy still, it's not fully toned up on the face or in the hair, as you saw in the pictures, but these copper coins really do pick up toning quickly through casual carry. And you know, again, a cleaned copper coin that's already been circulated and doesn't have luster, it's not the end of the world. They will tone back up. Talk to you more in the comments. Thanks for checking this one out, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.